Are you tired of slow internet connection? Try this method to boost your internet speed. USB tethering is a convenient feature that allows you to share your smartphone's internet connection with other devices, such as a laptop or tablet, by connecting them via USB cable. This method enables seamless internet access on connected device using your phone's cellular data, providing a practical solution for staying online when Wi-Fi is unavailable or very slow. The first thing you need is an original USB cable. First, connect the USB to your phone charging port. Then connect the USB side of the cable to your computer USB port, as shown in the video. Swipe down your phone and select USB tethering from the list as shown in the video. Now go to your computer, click yes and enjoy a good internet speed.